we approach the end of term, I just wanted to say a huge thank you. Diolch yn fawr to everyone in our education system. Thank you for your fantastic work that you do every day. And thank you also for the way you're supporting our national mission for education in Wales. When I announced our national mission in September last year, I said we would never be able to achieve our ambitions if we just stayed still. And that's why the past year has been all about momentum, with our reforms focusing on raising standards, reducing the attainment gap, and investing in the teaching profession. We've made really good progress on the development of our new curriculum, with over 200 pioneer schools across Wales involved in its design, and 2019 will take preparations to a new level. In February, we'll be publishing our curriculum and assessment white paper for consultation, and in Easter we'll be publishing the draft curriculum for feedback, along with the draft assessment and evaluation framework. We'll also be making sure that the whole workforce gets the opportunity to be involved and to have their say. Our new curriculum presents us with so many opportunities, and I'm really proud that 30 years on from the introduction of Section 28, relationships and sexuality education will become statutory from 2022, fully inclusive of all genders and sexualities and meeting the needs of LGBTQI learners. Teachers' professional learning will be fundamental to the success of the new curriculum. That's why I've announced a £24 million package, our biggest ever investment in support for teachers, to give our professionals the time they need to learn and explore the curriculum, not compromising their day-to-day work or pupils' learning. We've also launched major changes to initial teacher education, with a new part-time PGCE that combines online study with tutorials and seminars, something that could soon make Wales a world leader in this field. Elsewhere, we're transforming schools inside and out, reducing infant class sizes by appointing new teachers and building new classrooms. We're reducing bureaucracy and helping head teachers to manage their workload. We're strengthening our rural schools and making sure that we have a whole school approach to mental health and well-being, and thinking about how we can make school uniform more affordable, fairer and flexible. We've also reached a major milestone in our 21st Century Schools and Education programme, with more than £1.4 billion invested between 2014 and 2019, supporting the rebuild and refurbishment of more than 150 schools and colleges across Wales. This is in addition to the £51 million we've announced to support the growth of Welsh medium education. What's more, the funding changes we're making to the Band B programme could save local authorities millions of pounds. I've always said that I want both an excellent and equitable education system, and that's why I'm doing everything that we can to widen access and reduce the attainment gap. Whether that's boosting funding so that pupils can benefit from new school uniforms, sports kit or equipment, helping disadvantaged learners through the £97 million pupil development grant, or ensuring that more and more of our young people can access the very top universities or study abroad. That's also why Welsh students are now benefiting from the most generous student support packages in the United Kingdom, recognising that costs such as accommodation are the main barrier for those making the choice about whether to go to university or not. I'm also proud that Wales is the only country in Europe to provide equivalent maintenance support in grants and loans to part-time and full-time undergraduates. Of course, we still have so much more work to do, but I'm also proud of what we have achieved so far. Our schools are changing. Education in Wales is changing, and I'm confident that our national mission is well on course to deliver the reforms that we need. I'm also so proud to be able to continue to do this job under the leadership of our new First Minister, Mark Drakeford. So, Nadolig llawen pawb. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas, a really restful break, and are looking forward to what I know will be a rewarding new year.